I'm going to show you how to build a wooden napkin ring just like this one. Without using a lathe, let's get started.
Let's start out by ripping our boards to 1 3/4 inches wide. I'm going to be using 3 pieces, 3/8 inch thick and 10 inches long. A couple quick passes through the planer. Then a quick trim for even lengths.
We're going to glue them together. I like to use my silicone baking mat. It keeps the pieces from getting glued to my workbench.
Apply glue liberally and clamp tight.
Alright, it's been 24 hours. We're going to take the clamps off and get started on the ring.
The hole saw is 1 3/4 inches in diameter on the outside, so I'm going to mark every 2 inches to give us a little bit of wiggle room.
Okay, we're going to start with our Forstner bit. We're going to only go about 1/4 inch deep, and that will give us a guide hole for when we need to go all the way through after we cut.
Okay, now time for the hole saw. Be careful to line up the hole saw pilot bit with the center point of the Forstner bit. The closer it is to center, the more even the thickness of the walls of the ring will be.
There we go. A little bit off center. If you have a drill press, that would make it a lot more accurate.
Cut the rest of the circles in the same way as the first, and then shaping.
Okay, now we got the circles cut out. We're going to take our 1/4 inch bolt, which is the same size as the drill bit from the hole saw. We'll run it through there, tighten it down. Just need to make it snug enough so it doesn't spin loosely. And we'll take the bolt, put it in our drill, and we'll be able to use that to run it across
Our rasp. I hope you like what you're seeing so far. If so, be sure to like and subscribe for more. I used light pressure until I got the feel for it, and then it went pretty smooth. Gave it a nice barrel shape on the rasp, and then a light sanding with some 120 grit sandpaper.
You want to try to leave the outer edge as thick as possible. That way there's less chance of splitting when you're drilling out the rest of the inside hole.
Now we're going to drill the 1 1/8 inch hole the rest of the way through. Use gentle clamping pressure and go easy with the drill. If you're not careful, it's going to want to split.
Okay, once that's done, we got a nice through hole. We're just going to use a rasp to get around the inside edge so it's not too rough. Sand some of those splits from the bottom.
Gently clamp it to the corner of a workbench and use a round rasp to taper the inside edge of the napkin ring. Use a little bit of sandpaper to smooth out the inside. I use my sanding block to sand the flat surfaces on the edges to remove the splits from the Forstner bit. I apply some butcher block conditioner oil for a food safe finish. A nice touch for your table setting for a special occasion. Thanks for watching.